Good morning, dear students. As you have been told by the school management that we are beginning our new syllabus of English from 1st June, and today I am here to teach you, to tell you about your course. As you all must be knowing that I am Vikas Singh Rawal, your new English teacher, and today we will discuss about our syllabus. As you all must be knowing that last year in your previous class, in class 11, you have read the course of CBSE, and this year also you are going to study CBSE syllabus. Your book is completely changed. Those who are not knowing, they must take a pencil and copy and write down what I am going to tell them. So your English literature book, it is divided into two sections. First is Flamingo and second is Vistas. As you have been reading literature into two parts. First was prose, including poetry, then another book was of short stories. So this is just like the same. First part is known as Flamingo. So Flamingo consists of two parts. First is your prose section and another is your poetry section. So how will the question comes? How will the question come? How will the marks be distributed? Today I am going to tell you. So in prose section there will be two short questions. You will be asked two short questions and both the questions will be of 4 marks. It means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So short questions from Flamingo will be of 8 marks. Then let's come to the long answer. There will be one long answer from any of the chapter that you must have read in class 12, and that will be of 7 marks. It means you have to write in about 150 words and you will get 7 marks for your long answer. So Flamingo prose section, as I have told you, 8 number will be from short answers and 7 number will be from long answers. It means that 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 marks will come from your prose section. Then let's move to the poetry section. There will be one extract from the poem you must have read in this class, and 3 questions will come from the extract, and each question will be of 2 marks. And remember, the poetry section, the extract, it will also cover your figures of speech. You may be asked which figure of speech is used in these lines or this line, and it will cover at least 2 marks. So remember, poetry section, you will have to do an extract. 3 questions will be asked from the extract and each question will carry 2 marks. Then there will be another question from the poetry section and it will be central idea. So central idea will be of 4 marks. You must be knowing how to write central idea because in class 10 you had written such questions. So central idea will be of 4 marks, and from poetry section 6 marks will be from extract and 4 marks will be from central idea. It means it will cover 10 marks. So prose, I had told you, 15 marks, poetry 10 marks, and flamingo section 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 marks. So 25 marks will be given to you from the flamingo section. Let's move on to the vistas section. Vistas is your supplementary reader, is your short stories, you can say anything. So similar condition, there will be two short questions from vistas and each question will carry 2 marks. So I have told you 4 into there will be two questions from vistas section and each question will carry 4 marks. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 marks. And then there will be one long answer from the vistas section and it will carry 7 marks. You have to write 150 words, and if you write well, you will get good marks. So, short questions 8 marks, long answer 7 marks, and total 15 marks. So, flamingo 25 marks, vistas 15 marks, and total is equal to 40 marks. So, literature section will be of 40 marks. I will like to tell you that in flamingo there are 8 lessons, and in poetry there are 6 lessons, and in vistas there are 8 lessons. So you will have to read 8 plus 8, 16, and 6, 22 chapters. The course is lengthy, but if we begin from today onwards or tomorrow onwards, then surely we will be able to cover our whole course within the month of November or at least December, including grammar also. Then let's move to your grammar part. Grammar or general English, it will be consisted of 60 marks. Remember, earlier both the sections carried equal marks, but from this year, literature will be of 40 marks and grammar will be of 60 marks. It means that you will have to practice hard for your grammar part. So, there will be the first question, the first section of grammar will be section A, and it refers to the reading section. There will be one long passage which you have to read carefully, and there will be 4 short questions related to that passage. If you have understood the passage clearly, then you will easily be able to answer all the 4 short answers. So I think you must be writing in grammar section. There is a reading section, because section A, it refers to the reading section, and it will be of 15 marks. How much marks? 15 marks. There will be 4 short answers, okay, that will be given from the passage, and each question will carry 3 marks. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then there will be you can say 2 or 3 vocab questions. Some word may be given to you, and the board may ask what is the meaning of this word, what is the opposite of this word. Okay, so you must uh, prepare your antonym and synonyms also very well. Then section B, it belongs to the writing section, and it has two parts. Section B belongs to the writing section and it has two parts. The first part is related to article. You must be knowing how to write a good article. So the article may be of any category. It may be descriptive, it may be argumentative, it may be autobiographical, and you have to write 100 to 150 words to complete this part. So remember, section B belongs to the writing section and the first question will come from article and it will be of 10 marks. How much marks? 10 marks. Then the second question of writing section will be a letter, and you must be knowing that there are two types of letter: formal, informal. And the letter may be to the editor, it may be a business letter, it may be a complaint letter. So the letter may belong to any category, but you have to write it well. And if you practice hard, you will become an expert in writing a good letter. Now section C, it belongs to the grammar section and there will be 10 short questions. Remember, there will be 10 short questions based on narration, synthesis, transformation, syntax, idioms and phrases, synonyms, antonyms, one word substitution and homophones. 10 questions will be from the parts that I have told you, and each question will carry 2 marks. Means 10 into 2 is equal to 20. I have told you the first question, reading section, it will be of 15 marks. Second question, writing section, it will be of 20 marks. And third question of grammar, section C, related to grammar, and it will be of 20 marks. Okay? Then there will be the last question and it will be based on translation. So you will be given a passage in Hindi and you will have to translate that passage into English. Earlier it used to be of 10 marks, but this year it carries only 5 marks. So I think that we have covered all the parts. The grammar section is of 60 marks. First part, reading is of 15 marks. Then second part, writing, in which you have to write article and letter, it is of 20 marks. Then third section, grammar. First question will be based on narration, synthesis, syntax, transformation, idioms and phrases, one word substitution, homophones, antonyms and synonyms. There will be 10 questions and each question will carry 2 marks. So 15 plus 20, and grammar section also 20. Then it means 20, 20 and 15, 55. And the last question, it will be based on translation and you will be given 5 number if you correctly translate the passage from Hindi to English. Now, grammar section will provide you 60 marks and literature section will provide you 40 marks. Now I will like to discuss about the book. I think most of you may not have purchased the book and you must be in dilemma, in confusion which publication you should purchase. But in my opinion, as I have been using Rajiv publication from the last year, and I think it's a better book. It costs only 147 rupees. Look, you can purchase any publication. There is no problem. आप किसी भी पब्लिकेशन की किताब खरीद लीजिए, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है. लेकिन समस्या कहाँ आती है? समस्या वहाँ आती है जब आपके और हमारे प्रश्न एक दूसरे से मेल नहीं खाते. ठीक है ना? द प्रॉब्लम अराइजेस व्हेन योर क्वेश्चन एंड the questions of my book, they are not similar to each other. Okay, then our book should be similar in case if we want to have a better understanding. So in my opinion, you can purchase Rajiv publication literature book, and for grammar don't purchase any book. Right now we will go through different publications, then I will tell you which publication is better in comparison to others. So from today onwards you must purchase a copy, you must have book also. So I am not teaching any chapter today just because I am knowing that most of you have not purchased the books yet. So purchase the book, and from tomorrow we will begin some new chapter, any new chapter. Okay, so good luck to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.